What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the 2011 black and white jumping spider. Alright guys, so this unboxing is going to be very, very special. This one in particular is awesome because it is a very old and rare animatronic. You can't find many of these nowadays. There's only a couple on like eBay and Mercari, and they go for like hundreds of dollars. Actually, not hundreds, but like maybe 100 at least. So yeah, this is the black and white jumping spider from 2011. The main reason they are so rare is because actually this one does not work completely. It still jumps, but it like jumps constantly. I don't know. It's something to do with relay switches. I got this for completely free actually at a yard sale. They said just take it, so I'm like, okay. Yeah, there's not many of these left in the world. They have a lot better springs, so they should jump a lot faster. The main reason I waited to do this unboxing now is because of the main fact that when I got it, the springs had been pulled all the way back from who knows how long. So that is the main reason why I didn't unbox it completely, because I knew the springs would be just like the originals, and it looked basically just like the original when it jumped up. I'm hoping it'll be a little bit faster now, but we will see. We have the spider itself right here, black and white, basically the same as every other jumping spider that you'll see, unless you get like a black and red, which I have. The only one I'm missing now is the brown, in terms of Spirit Halloween. So yeah, I used to have a brown spider, but I gave it to Kenny. Here's the adapter that I just took from, I think it was the Guardian of the Grave. I had to get rid of the Guardian of the Grave, just because he was filled with ants at the end of the season, so he would not work anymore. So I think this is his adapter that I threw in here. There's the instructions, the very old instructions, if you guys want to see them. Yeah, they're still there. And yeah, here are all the feet. So yeah, once again, not a big setup at all. Literally all I have to do is just snap the feet on. I don't even think I'm going to time lapse it. I'm just going to show you guys when it's done. All right guys, so the web isn't looking the best right now, but he is all set up. I'll make the web look good for Halloween when we display him. But yeah, let's plug him in. I also put a brick on his face to try to get the most jump I can out of him. Sensor working. I mean, you guys can just see when I stepped on it in the back, it jumps a lot faster than the new models do. That's why they're pretty rare, because, I mean, as you guys can see, mine is broken too. But yeah, I'm glad to have this thing, especially for getting it for free. All right, obviously I can't leave a link in the description to buy one since it's so old, but I will leave a link in the description for new merch, which I just dropped some new merch on the website. So definitely go check that out. And other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.